Hi everyone, it's Therese. I'm back with another video, and today, as you can see, I'm sharing my paper clips for February. Yeah, I got inspired early this month because, I don't know, hearts is so much fun to make. So I remember seeing everybody making these hearts made with sequins. I think it was last year when Tuesday Morning was selling them, and I've been wanting to make them, and so I looked back in the videos, or I went on YouTube and I googled it or whatever, looked it up, and I found Ruth had did one, Inkwell. I'll link her. I'm not sure if that's her YouTube channel. I think it's Ruth Inkwell. And I'll link her channel down below if you're interested in seeing how she made them. So I joined a Facebook page called Paperclip Art, and we're making two paper clips a month, and we're going to swap one out at the end of 6 months. And if you want to join in, you can start now. Even though January is already done, you can make your January clips until the ending of February, and also the February ones you can do it till the end of, is not due until the ending of March. So, and so on. So you guys still have time if you want to join in the fun. So last month was words, or the word of the year. This month is is hearts. And here are my, I just completed this one, this sequin heart, and I punched out just regular pink cardstock that matched the sequence with this Stampin' Up! Punch from my stash. It's about 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 heart. And all I did was start gluing the sequins all the way around the heart, and then you just fill it in with glue. Okay, and then I added some I added some buttons from my stash. This is from Target. I used the sequins from Target as well this year. I wanted to use that up, so I'm making a couple more hearts for a pocket letter that I'm making. So here are my finished clips. So I really like how these turned out. I mean, if you have different color sequins, how cool are these to make different colors? I think, oh my god, you can make gold ones and black ones and blue ones and green ones, and whatever sequence you can find, you can make them. It's so easy and so much fun. And then I just added the buttons to the middle. I sandwiched a paper clip with 2 pieces of paper punched out with the heart punch, and I E6000 it just to make sure that it was secured. So yeah, those are my 2 clips for the month of February. Come on by if you want to join in on the fun, and yeah. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!